Your phone is training your brain to avoid focus. Every notification, every scroll, every new piece of information trains your mind to expect constant novelty. And slowly, your tolerance for deep work disappears. You start a task, and within minutes your brain looks for an escape. You check your phone, open another tab, refresh the same feed again. Not because you are lazy, but because you trained your mind to avoid stillness. The modern world profits from this. Platforms compete for your attention because attention is the most valuable asset in the digital economy. The longer you stay distracted, the more valuable you become to someone else. Every scroll generates data. Every click generates profit. Every moment of distraction strengthens the system. But the people who build leverage live differently. They protect their attention the same way investors protect capital. They remove noise. They eliminate unnecessary input. And they create silence on purpose. Because silence changes the brain. When stimulation disappears, your nervous system slows down. Your breathing deepens. Your thoughts stop racing. And something rare happens in the modern world. You begin to think clearly again. Ideas reconnect. Long-term strategy becomes possible. And problems that felt impossible suddenly become simple. This is why many founders, investors, and thinkers still use one simple ritual. They disconnect from the noise. They sit down, and they think on paper. No notifications, no algorithm competing for attention. Just thought. Because writing forces clarity. Typing captures information. But writing slows the mind enough to structure ideas. And structured thinking builds leverage. If your attention is scattered, your life will be scattered. But if you learn to control your focus, you control the direction of your future. The question is not whether you can rebuild your attention. The question is whether you are willing to remove the noise.